So you might be in a situation where for some reason nobody can hear you when you're calling on your Android phone. So maybe you're going through and you are calling somebody, but for some reason it's not working for you. Now, there's a couple of different ways to go and fix this. Number one, the very first thing to understand is that your phone call application sometimes might require your particular microphone access. So make your way over into your phone settings like this. You're going to go inside of the application manager. So find the option that says apps. And all you're going to want to do is wherever you can find that application that's basically giving you that particular like phone, the microphone access and all that, you want to find that particular phone application and you want to make sure it has the microphone access. So right into here, click on permissions and make sure it has the access for the microphone. As long as it has some access to it, then you should be good to go from that side. Now you also want to make sure that your phone itself, like you don't have any big cases on your phone, that the microphones aren't being covered up. Sometimes that can be an issue. And another thing I've noticed too, sometimes you might have some Bluetooth devices that are actually like accidentally connected by accident. So it might seem like you can still hear them from your side, but the microphone might not be working on your Bluetooth product. So you might want to make sure that's not the problem either. And I'd probably recommend even turning off your Bluetooth if somebody can't hear you on your call, because it might be some issue going on with your Bluetooth, side of your phone. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and try updating your particular device. So come back inside of your phone settings, click on software update, click on download and install, and all you're going to want to do is download and install the latest update available for your phone here, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this issue for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.